With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello all. So today we have a question that find the multiple roots of a biquadratic equation x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 24x plus 36 is equals to 0. So let's start solving this question. So what is given to us? We have given a function. Let's suppose that it is f of x is equals to x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 24x plus 36. Okay, so we know that this is a biquadratic equation, so it has at minimum maximum of 4 roots will be there in this biquadratic equation. Okay, so we have to start by using hit and trial method by figuring out the multiple of the last term, which is the constant sum. So we can say that the possible roots will be, we can take the conjugate with the possible factorization of 36. We can say that it could be plus minus 1, we could be say that it is plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 4, plus minus 6, and plus minus 9, and we can say that plus minus 12 and plus minus 36. That could be the possible factor of this 36 can be. So now let's start with plugging any point. I'm just taking 3. Okay, so let's plug f of 3 to the given biquadratic equation, and that will give you like that. We'll have to place 3 at the position of x in f of x, that is 3 square minus 24 times 3. So when we plug any possible roots, we have getting from the prime factorization of the constant value 36. If it will give us 0, then we can say that x minus 3 could be the factor of this biquadratic equation. That will be give you 81, and this will be 27. That will be a 27 into 6, that could give you 162. Here we have 117, 39 117 minus 72 plus 36. From here we get 234 minus 234, f of 3 is equals to 0. It implies that 3 is a root. So x minus 3 is a factor, is a factor of f of x. Okay, if it is a factor of f of x, then it will divide it perfectly without having any remainder. So now we have to divide our given biquadratic equation with x minus 3, and let's see what we will get. Our biquadratic equation is x minus 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square. Okay, and we have minus 24x plus 36. Now we divide, we get x cube, x to the power 4 minus 3x cube. The sign will get changed. Here we get minus 3x cube plus 13x square. Again we'll have to take this, we get minus 3x square, will get minus 3x cube plus 9x square. Again the sign will get changed, this will get cancelled, and we here get 4x square minus 24x. From here we'll get 4x, and we'll get 4x square, and from here we get plus 4x, sorry, and here we'll get minus 12x. When we solve, sign will get changed, we'll get minus 12x plus 36. Now from here we can say that minus times 12 will give you minus 12x minus plus 36. That will plus minus will cancel. So we can say that we have got another factor. We can say that f of x can also be written as x minus 3 of x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 12. Okay, we need to factor this also. We have to factor this term also, so that we can get another root from here. So now we have to do one more thing. We'll have to find the possible factor again. So the possible factor for x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 12 will be, again we can say that the multiple of prime factorization of this constant. We can say that that could be plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 4, plus minus 6, and we can say that and plus minus 12. Okay, so let's start plugging f of 3. Again I am taking in this place 3 cube minus 3 square plus 4 times 3 minus 12. We can say that we get 27 minus 27 plus 12 minus 12. So we can say that we have another x3 which has satisfied the given equation. It will give you 0. It means that there will be one more x minus 3. There will be one more x minus 3 as a factor for f of x. Now we have to divide for f of x x cube minus 3 with that. So what we need to do, we'll have to divide x minus 3 by x minus 3 again, that we have got by factorizing x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 12. Now after dividing we get x ki power square, we get x cube, we again get minus 3x square. Okay, now when we plus minus, it will get cancelled. We get 4x minus 12, we'll get 4. What we will get here, we'll get something like, from here we get x cube minus 3x square, and that will give you plus minus sign, that will get cancelled, and from here we can say that 4 into x will give you from here we can say that 4x x cube into x, that will be x cube, x square minus 3 will give you minus 3x square. Now what we need to do, we need to factorize it one furthermore, that will give us x square, that will get cancelled, and from here we can find that when we divide this, we'll get, okay, we'll get only 4 from here. So 4 into x, 4x, and minus 3 minus 12, that will get cancelled, plus minus, and we are left with x square plus 4. Now plug this equals to 0, we can solve and get x is equals to minus 4. From here we can say that we'll get plus minus 2i. So the multiple roots for of the given equation, multiple roots are 3, 3, plus 2i and minus 2i. This is the answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.